Today, we're revealing 5 powerful side hustles that are helping thousands of Americans earn an extra $500 to $2,000 every single month. And the best part? Most of these require no degree, no office, and no major upfront investment. But here's the twist. Only a handful of people know how to actually make these side hustles profitable. So if you stay with me until the end, you'll not only understand which side hustle to pick, but how to start it today, the right way. Side hustle number 1, online freelancing platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. The first income stream is one you've heard of, but probably underestimated. Whether it's writing, video editing, voiceovers, social media management, the demand is exploding. Companies in the US are cutting traditional hiring and outsourcing more every year. Most freelancers fail not because of skill, but because of presentation. If you position yourself correctly, even simple tasks can pay extremely well. For example, short-form video editing, $25 to $75 per video. Copywriting, $15 to $40 per hour. Thumbnail design, $10 to $30 per thumbnail. Virtual assistant work, $300 to $800 per month per client. Start with one niche, dominate it, then raise your prices. If you can deliver fast, clean, and consistent work, this side hustle alone can hit $1,000 per month in under 60 days. Side hustle number 2, print-on-demand platforms. Etsy, Redbubble, Printify, Merch by Amazon. This is one of the most underrated business models, and here's why. You don't buy inventory. You don't print anything. You don't ship anything. You create a design, a customer buys it, the company prints and ships it for you. And your profit? Completely passive. Here's where people mess up. They design what they like, not what people are searching for. One trending t-shirt design can bring in $200 to $600 per month on its own, and a whole shop with 50 good designs? Easily $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Side hustle number 3, TikTok and YouTube faceless channels. This one is exploding in the US. People are building faceless channels in finance, motivation, luxury, tech gadgets, business stories, celebrity facts, AI tutorials. Here's the big reveal. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a studio. You don't even need a camera. AI tools now let you generate voiceovers, scripts, stock videos, graphics, subtitles, backgrounds. TikTok pays through creator funds and sponsorships. YouTube pays through monetization and affiliate links. And a small channel with consistent uploads can hit $500 per month very quickly, while bigger channels hit $5,000 to $15,000 per month. This is one of the fastest growing ways Americans are creating digital income. Side hustle number 4, remote customer support. Remote customer support is one of the most stable online income streams, and thousands of Americans are earning between $12 to $20 per hour doing it. But here's what most people don't know. You don't need to live in the United States to apply. Many companies hire globally as long as your English is strong and you have a quiet workspace. Companies like Belay hire people globally, managing order updates, refunds, tracking numbers, customer questions about shipping. Most remote support roles do not require a degree. Companies train you, and your income scales with how many hours you work. Working 3 to 4 hours a day can already bring in around $500 to $1,000 per month. If you want step-by-step walkthroughs for any of these side hustles, from account setup to your first sale or client, subscribe to DollarMind now. Now move to side hustle number 5, affiliate marketing platforms. Amazon Associates, Impact, CJ Affiliate, Digistore24. This is the highest leverage side hustle on the list. You recommend a product, someone buys it, you get paid. You don't create the product, you don't handle customer service, you don't deal with shipping. Most affiliates earn small commissions, but smart affiliates target high-paying niches like finance, online courses, tech software, business tools, subscriptions. A single sale can earn you $20, $50, $100, even $300 plus per sale. And with the right content strategy, your income keeps growing month after month. So let's wrap this up. These 5 side hustles, freelancing, print on demand, faceless channels, remote support, and affiliate marketing, are transforming how people earn money in the US. But here's the truth. The opportunity is real, but only if you take action. Most people watch videos like this and do nothing. They wait, they hesitate, and the opportunity slips away. So pick one side hustle, start today, and commit for at least 30 days. Because the only difference between someone earning $2,000 a month and someone earning $0 is that one person started. If you found this helpful, subscribe to DollarMind for more professional financial insight straight to the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.